as its sole food source. That's interesting. I wonder, I mean, would that mean that people who drink more coffee, for instance, might have more of this particular bacterium? I know that having a lot of caffeine can upset some people's stomachs. Maybe that's why. Probably not. But I think it's between that one and the electron one. And honestly, this is a total coin flip for me. So I'm trying to put myself in Steve's shoes. Which one of these sounds like something that is true but only slightly tweaked? And I think it's the caffeine one, because I think maybe it's actually something like bacteria that just likes coffee or something, but not actually caffeine. I don't know. But it's a coin flip. I'm going to go with that one. That's the fiction.
The caffeine.
Yeah. Why not?
Okay. Jay?
Okay, the one about the electrons being egg-shaped, man, I don't know anything about that. I can't think of any reason why they would actually have a shape. Right? I mean, aren't they just a...
But they have to have some shape.
Well, yeah, but they're... Oh, man, I'm just going to say a bunch of things that's going to make me sound really stupid right now. Do it.
Did you think electrons were invisible?
No, but I think of them more as energy than I do as something physical, and I know that Bob's not going to agree with that.
Wave-particle duality, man.
Yeah, like a shape is... I don't know, man. That's interesting. I would love to hear the science behind that, but I can't comment on that. Researchers that find that women are attracted to happiness less than pride and shame. Yeah, that's a mouthful right there, boy, if I ever heard one. Okay, I can see that. I can see that there might be something about pride and a man expressing shame that could have an advantage for other reasons other than just the exterior. Like, he's a happy guy, I love him. Like, there could be good things about that in regards to having a family and being a caregiver and a protector and all the things that cavemen do for cave women.
Put him over the head and drag him around.
Yeah, right. I have like a default man-woman relationship that I go back to where when evolution was really firing big, other than today where we eat McDonald's all day and evolution is basically happening in my bathroom. All right, and then the last one. Please, Rebecca, don't ask. I don't even know myself.
All right.
The last one about the baloney. Oh, the biologist.